The flagship from Huawei is here and it follows the direction set forth by the P20 Pro. The Mate 20 Pro is to the P20 Pro what the Galaxy Note 9 is to the S9 Plus. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas and these are the first impressions of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. The Mate 20 Pro may very well be the most advanced smartphone when it comes to the hardware and the feature set. It's a beautiful device that has been inspired by nature. The metal midframe is sandwiched by curved glass on all sides, and this curvature is what makes it feel compact and effortless to use. In fact, it's bigger than the P20 Pro but still feels smaller. There's a micro pattern that's weaved into the glass itself to improve grip and it actually works fairly well. Still, we'd recommend using the case bundled with the phone or another one of your choice in case you're someone who tends to drop phones. It's IP68 rated so you can take it for swimming or under heavy rain or even in your shower. The display is taller than the P20 Pro and has an aspect ratio of 19.5:9 and spans 6.39 inches diagonally. The notch has grown in size compared to the P20 Pro but now includes infrared-based 3D face scanning technology so that the extra width could be forgiven and you can still choose to disable the notch in the settings in case you don't like it. The display is an AMOLED unit and naturally is great outdoors and indoors. The contrast is excellent and blacks are truly black and you get vibrant colors as well as great sharpness thanks to the 1440 by 3120 pixels of resolution. There's a very minimal chin since the Mate 20 Pro now has an in-display fingerprint scanner. It's not located towards the bottom like on some Vivo phones, but rather a bit higher up. As cool and high-tech as an in-display fingerprint scanner looks and sounds, I prefer the speed of a physical one. Still, we'll discuss about it in depth during our review. The face unlock is now properly secure as it uses a proper IR camera and IR illuminator to scan your face and is pretty quick. The Mate 20 Pro comes preloaded with Android 9 Pie and EMUI 9 on top of it. Powering the phone is a Kirin 980 chipset which is the first SoC based on 7nm architecture. You can get up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. We're not sure if we are getting a single variant or two variants in India, but we'll let you know soon after the official announcement. The phone has a hybrid dual SIM slot that supports memory expansion, but uses an NM card which is shaped like a nano SIM instead of a micro SD card, so we'll need to see whether the NM card makes its way into India as well. The triple camera on the back is a bit different now, not just in terms of functionality, but also in terms of the placement. Gone is a vertical array of sensors on the P20 Pro, and in is a square island that houses all the sensors and flash. It looked pretty ugly to me in the photos, but in real life I quite like it. What you get now is a wide-angle 27mm 40MP f1.8 sensor with 1x1.7 in sensor size, and that's pretty huge. You also get an ultra-wide 16mm 20MP f2.2 1x2.7 in sensor size and a telephoto 8MP sensor with f2.4 aperture and 1x4 in sensor size. All these sensors are optically stabilized and have laser as well as face detection autofocus to assist it. Up front is a less impressive 24MP f2 sensor which is borrowed from the P20 Pro. Here are some samples that'll give you an idea on what to expect. Under the hood is a massive 4200 mAh battery which is powered over the Type-C port and is in fact insanely fast to charge too thanks to the new 40-watt supercharged technology. We'll talk about it in detail during our review, but it's currently the fastest charging standard available in India. It also supports cheap wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging, which is a world's first, and yes, it basically converts your Mate 20 Pro into a wireless charger that can be used to refill other device batteries. Oh, and before I forget, the speaker setup is stereo where the earpiece doubles up as a second speaker, but the primary one is neatly hidden within the body. So far I'm pretty stoked with the smartphone. If you're looking for an all-around smartphone with close to no compromises, then this seems like the real deal. But wait for our review to take a call. It'll follow shortly. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.